Are you looking to maximize efficiency while improving quality? Well, artificial intelligence and automation technologies have the power to revolutionize your business and give you 360-degree control over your operations. But before you jump into implementation, you need to take a step back and evaluate the advantages and risks associated with automation. Don't miss this critical insight on AI automation, how to make the right decisions to turbocharge your business while guaranteeing security and compliance. Subscribe to 33Cube now to get the latest insights on AI automation and learn how to make the right decisions to turbocharge your business while guaranteeing security and compliance. Stay tuned for more videos on how you can maximize efficiency and improve quality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term that describes how machines can learn and think like humans, using algorithms created by computer scientists to solve complex problems that humans can't. Automation also uses software programs with predefined instructions to complete tasks faster than manual methods, with fewer interactions between people. By using AI and automation in organizations, businesses can streamline processes like data entry and customer service inquiries without sacrificing the quality of their products or services. This saves valuable time for employees who can use those extra hours to do more meaningful work instead of mundane repetitions, making them more productive and engaged and fulfilled in their job. But how far should we go when it comes to harnessing these powerful technologies? What implications will come from relying so heavily on the advantages of artificial intelligence and automation? The benefits of using AI and automation in businesses are huge. Not only can they save you time by automating boring, repetitive tasks like data entry or customer service inquiries, but the quality of your products and services don't suffer either. And because your employees won't have to waste time on mundane jobs, they can be more productive in their roles, getting creative with meaningful work that's engaging and rewarding. But how much is too much when it comes to using artificial intelligence? What opportunities should business owners look out for so the automation efforts don't end up backfiring? Are you looking to tap into the potential of AI and the automation for your business? Start by addressing which processes are currently manual. Look for anything that takes up a lot of time and could be done faster and more efficiently with automated technology. Once you have a list, research specific solutions or software options to meet those needs. That way you can automate tasks like data entry or customer service inquiries without compromising quality. But when should businesses seek professional help when it comes to harnessing artificial intelligence and automation technologies? That's a great question. Having a good understanding of the automation tools available is really important when it comes to choosing and using AI and automation technology in businesses. Professional analysts can help you out here as they have experience in figuring out which processes are manual, researching the right solutions and software that meet those needs while minimizing any potential risk with implementation. Plus, the expertise allows them to suggest integrations between different systems so companies can get the max that they need without compromising security. But where do you need to start if you're looking for professional help? Word-of-mouth references or online resources and unbiased reviews can be helpful, but it's important to find out what a company specializes in to narrow down what is the best fit for you. That way you can choose an expert partner who understands your business objectives and can create solutions for you to help reach your goals quickly and effectively. This brings up an interesting question. How important is it to get professional help in automating an organization's processes? Harnessing the power of AI and automation can bring great rewards to businesses, but it's important to consider all the factors before taking the next step. You need to think about the cost of capital expenditure for new hardware and software and operational costs for training staff. And it's important to do a risk assessment to identify any potential issues before committing to anything. Additionally, you need to identify what data needs to be captured when making decisions on where to best utilize technology. Once all of this has been taken into consideration, you may need to set up a dedicated team or department to oversee maintenance and upgrades over time. Future-proofing your organization is key to keeping up with an ever-advancing technology. So the question is, how essential do organizations view maintaining their automated services? Maintaining and upgrading automation solutions can be complex for large organizations who seem to have kept up with ever-advancing technology. But even the simplest of small businesses should consider applying upgrades on a regular basis to ensure their automated services are working properly. When it comes to setting an upgrade schedule, business owners need to know how long each version and update cycle is going to need to take, especially as advancements in AI and automation move faster than traditional cycles every few years. It's also important to identify which parts of the system require maintenance at what times, so resources aren't wasted trying out unsupported methods down the road when patching or troubleshooting existing tasks that can cause more damage than good. And finally, security measures should not be overlooked. There may not always be enough attention paid towards defending against malicious hackers, hoping these systems remain vulnerable due to best practices being overlooked over time within startup success-driven mentality. Once all of this has been taken into consideration by professionals, what impact could sticking too rigidly to prescribed methodologies and processes cause potential barriers and challenges? Staying up to date with the latest technologies for automation is essential to businesses, as using outdated software can lead to potential security risks and slow down processes. Companies need to take time to research new tools that fit their needs and figure out what would integrate best into existing business models, which could be costly in both money and manpower if done incorrectly. It's also important to conduct impact assessments on organization-wide changes after implementation to minimize operational disruptions while still enhancing productivity gains within a safe data environment. In some cases, it may be better not to use automated services at all, like customer service inquiries or marketing activities, depending on the factors ranging from user experience issues where humans provide more human touch to legal regulations around GDPR laws dictating certain transparency and accountability requirements. This highlights the importance of balancing manual labor versus automation when making decisions about an organization's future strategies due to the relationship with technology products and services that are being provided internally over externally sourced solutions. So how does one go about integrating automation successfully into their company without sacrificing quality? Integrating automation within your business can be complex, but when done right, it can save you money and increase productivity. So how can you make sure the transition is successful? First, you need to understand which tasks are best suited for automation. That means you need to compare manual labor with automation to make the best decisions for your technological investments. You should also build security systems and set up a team or department responsible for maintenance and upgrades. After implementation, you should assess any potential disruptions in operations and maximize productivity gains. Most importantly, you need to stay future-proof when it comes to learning from new advancements in AI and automation technologies. This means you need to identify these tools quickly and gain valuable intelligence insights before your competition. To do this, you need quality professional assistance. Practically speaking, you need to keep your internal team up to date with rapidly changing landscapes and ever-advancing AI and automation technologies. This can be challenging, but it's essential for success. Staying up to date with AI automation in business is essential. Business owners need to stay informed of any developments and advancements that could affect their systems or processes so they can prepare ahead of time for a successful transition. This involves researching whether potential changes are cost-effective for the organization and what kind of training employees may need if they haven't kept up with new technical skill sets. It's also important to monitor upgrades across all departments and look out for compatibility issues between multiple systems or applications like software versions. So what implementations and implications do continuous upgrade cycles have when managing business models around AI automation? Using AI and automation in businesses can bring great rewards, streamlining processes like data entry and customer service inquiries without sacrificing quality, freeing up employees to do more meaningful work and making them more productive, engaged, and fulfilled in their job. But with such powerful technologies, we need to assess which processes are manual, researching specific solutions or software options, and gaining professional help if needed to identify potential issues and maximize productivity gains. Additionally, organizations need to be staying up to date with the latest advancements and continuously upgrading systems to ensure they remain secure and future-proofed. With the right tools and expertise, businesses can successfully automate their operations and reap the benefits of AI and automation. Are you ready to start using AI to make money? Well, in our next video, we're going to be exploring how AI can be used to generate profits and increase efficiency. Don't miss out on this opportunity to increase your bottom line and stay ahead of the competition. Watch now to learn how to make the most of AI automation. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and join 33Q by subscribing and hit the bell button to stay notified whenever we post.